Yeah, the game production industry in Australia and globally is a really dynamic and innovative space. Technology is constantly changing, but the need for artists and world builders is growing as the industry grows. This is a really production-based, hands-on degree with an emphasis on the creation of a wide range of assets for the game production pipeline. The degree is less about the coding environment, so less programming, more about the art and narrative. We've got a really broad range of creative arts degrees here at Flinders, and the potential for collaboration is really high. You'll be surrounded by writers, artists, animators, actors, and the staff have loads of industry experience to help bring your ideas to life. Your teachers are passionate about games and the game industry. We're gamers and creators ourselves, bring years of experience to our teaching. Facility-wise, we've got the Void, full motion capture and virtual production studio. The world of games and VFX are really crossing over in many interesting ways, and use of that cutting-edge technology is driving collaboration across industries. So at the end of this degree, you're going to have really interesting skill set that's art-based, narrative-based, game design. They are transferable skills across lots of different industries, VFX and game design and animation all together. For the game production degree, this is really about creating a portfolio of amazing artwork to get you into the industry. We want to give you the tools to build interactive environments, tell interactive stories, and bring to life engaging characters and creatures. If you're passionate about games and gaming, this will be the chance to turn that passion into a career.